I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Nureva app to set up, configure, optimize, and troubleshoot Nureva audio systems locally during installation or in-room tuning. You'll see how our guided setup tools, advanced audio settings, and visual insights like coverage maps help deliver a great audio experience from day one. Whether you're installing a new system or fine-tuning a meeting room, the Nureva app makes everything simple. With just a few taps, you can check room acoustics, update devices, adjust settings, and even automate camera switching, all from your phone, tablet, or laptop. For iOS users, the Nureva app includes the Acoustic Check tool, a fast, built-in way to understand your room before device installation. Just open the app on your iPhone or iPad, tap Start Acoustic Check, and use the tool to analyze reverberation, background noise, and overall acoustic characteristics. These measurements are combined into a single acoustic score from 0 to 100 that predicts how well your audio system will perform in that location. You can even document this summary to share with your team. Keeping your Nureva devices up to date couldn't be easier. The home screen gives you one-tap access to update, calibrate, or restart your system. Also from the home screen, you can instantly see your network connection, USB statuses, and background noise levels, with detailed info available with each status card. And you can see instantly if your device is enrolled in Nureva console with the status indicator. With HDL 310, HDL 410, and HDX systems, the device control page gives presenters quick access to volume and mute options. You can lock this page to prevent access to other app features during a live session. With room profiles, you can adapt the space for multiple meeting and learning scenarios. Whether it's a faculty meeting or a full all-hands session, you can instantly switch between up to 3 pre-configured setups with saved zones and camera switching settings. No manual reconfiguration is required. The coverage map makes microphone pickup visible in real time. See where voices are detected, adjust room dimensions, and create camera switching zones. With AI-enabled voice detection, this feature helps remote participants follow the action naturally, especially in large rooms. In settings, you'll find all your audio controls, from microphone EQ and noise reduction to speaker output modes and voice detection. You can apply optimized presets for Microsoft Teams rooms or Zoom rooms, adjust echo reduction, set the USB speed, and configure local integrations like camera tracking. You can also enable adaptive voice amplification, which amplifies presenters' voices when they connect external microphones to a HDX, HDL 310, or HDL 410 system. And for HDX 4-bar and 2-port systems, you can configure adaptive voice lift, which subtly lifts voices across large spaces without the use of external microphones. Under Devices, you can view hardware details like the MAC address and IP, check pass statuses, and add peripherals, including external microphones for voice amplifications, IP devices like cameras and camera switches. The Tools page helps you diagnose issues quickly with network checks and audio resets. You can also download the logs for our technical support team. To explore all the features of the Nureva app, be sure to check out our user guide. And of course, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos.